Hello, today we are solving May 2023 Unit 2 IAL paper. Question number 3, Part C. Prepare the equity section of the Statement of Financial Position of Suburban Gas PLC on 1st April 2023 after the purchase of Blu Gas PLC. So, Blu Gas PLC is being purchased by Suburban Gas PLC, and the initial equity section before the purchase for the Suburban Gas Supply is like given here. Now we have to prepare the equity section after it has been purchased. So that is going to be equal to, let's prepare this. Equity section, the same things is still going to appear. It's still going to appear here for the Suburban Gas PLC. These sections will still be there. Now because there is an addition, it will increase in the value, because it's buying over the equity section. It is like taking over the equity section of the Blu Gas PLC. So now let's find. So initially the cost was the ordinary share capital value was 36 million. So it will be 36 million, and the increase in value of the Suburban Gas Supply will be equal to now 12 million. 12 million ordinary share capital will get reflected because they are going to buy this Blu Gas PLC shareholders. So the total value will now become equal to 36 million plus 12 million will be reflected in the equity section of the ordinary share capital of Suburban Supplies PLC. So 36 plus 12, that is 48 million. 48 million will be the ordinary share capital value of the Suburban Gas PLC. Now the share premium, initially it was 9 million. Earlier before the purchase it was 9 million. Now it had increase in value for this was around 3 million. So 3 million will get reflected here. So that is going to be equal to 9 plus 3, 12 million. And then it had general reserves. General reserves was equal to 800,000. This will remain just like that. So it will be 800,000. This is not being bought over or transferred. In only the shareholders are being able to or are being bought over. Then next one is retained earnings was around 5.1 million. So it is going to be the same. It will be 100,000. Now let's calculate this. So why is all the general reserves or the retained earnings is not taken? Because already we are transferring it to the Sunrise shareholders account, then giving the purchase consideration. For the purchase consideration only you are buying, you are adding your share capital value, you are increasing the shareholders, you are buying over the shareholders of that company into this company. So they reflect only the share capital and premium reserve will increase. None of the other things will get affected in the existing company. So now let's add up the total equity. So 48 million plus 12 million plus 4.8 million plus 5 million, 5.1 million. So that is 69,900,000. So that is going to be equal to 69,900,000. So earlier it was 54,900. Now after the merger it has become 69,900,000. So this is all.